Here is an overview of the bandsaw. I have the top and bottom doors open so we can see how it functions. The motor drives the bottom wheel, and there is literally a band of saw blade, kind of like a rubber band, that runs from the bottom wheel along the top wheel and then back down, and here's where the cutting happens. This is the work table. This plastic piece here is called the throat plate. We also have the blade guard. The blade guard can be moved up and down depending on the size of the material being cut. We want to try to have as little of this saw blade exposed as possible because that's what keeps it safe. We also have a couple of accessories. We have something called the fence here, and the fence can be locked in place by pushing the lever down or moved around by pulling the lever up and sliding it along the work table. This allows you to make long straight cuts and also make the same size cut over and over again. In addition to the fence, we have the miter, and the miter typically would be used to make 90-degree cuts, and it slides along this guide right here, and you can see that we can actually adjust the miter to make specific angled cuts. Under normal operation, the top door and bottom door would be closed and locked in place, and we would not be using both the miter or the fence. We would use one or the other. So typically we would only see one of these on the bandsaw at any given time. The on-off switch is located right here, and there's a light that can be turned on and off to help you see, and that light can be adjusted as needed. That is the overview of the bandsaw.